If you're looking for an RV that's going to be a home away from home and comfortably sleep 5 to 6 campers, then the Big Country 3902 FL is for you. Let's take a look. You are surrounded with a tri-fold sofa on both sides, which will easily accommodate 4 to even 5 campers depending on their size. Adjacent to that, you have this built-in theater seating. You got heat along with massage. All of these windows here on both sides and the window next to the theater seating open. You can allow Mother Nature to help cool this coach when you and your guests are camping. You have this cabinet integrated with a TV that can be controlled by your LCI One Touch to hide away with this hidden door here. This is not pressed countertop, it is solid surface. You have storage surrounding this 40-inch electric fireplace that does put out quite a bit of heat. It has integrated USB as well as Bluetooth, so you'd be able to utilize either streaming something on your TV or having beautiful sound come from your own personal playlist. You have LED lighting throughout this entire coach. You're greeted immediately with residential style appliances. This is a 20 cubic foot French style refrigerator, matching 4-burner stove, as well as a residential microwave. You have a lot of storage here, enough space to pack everything that you and your family need for your next trip. You have an island covered by a solid surface countertop that extends and matches the entire coach. You do have a beautiful double bowl farmhouse style sink. And I do love the hardware, which is a great offset to the very bright colors and neutral tones of the wood here in this floor plan. All 3 of these massive windows open, so you get a lot of natural light, and this is where a lot of your breeze from Mother Nature will be coming from. Big Country put MCD privacy shades in here. These are a good quality brand shade and a standard in every single Big Country. Here in this Big Country, there is no carpet. The only thing you do have is this marine grade woven fabric specifically on this slide here. It's going to mitigate odors, debris, and even moisture. Much more durable and very easy to take care of. You have an east-west king-size bed. I love this configuration because it gives you a lot of room here in the master suite. You have nightstands on both sides as well as USB charging. Also, you have windows that will open. You have a beautiful walk-in closet prepped with washer and dryer should you choose to utilize it. You have these 8 drawers here to utilize for additional storage of your clothing. This area will come prepped and be provided with a beautiful TV as well, so you can enjoy some entertainment in the evening when you are getting ready for bed. You got matching Jack and Jill sinks, utilizing the same solid surface as they are throughout this entire floor plan. A lot of storage above and below the sinks, matching medicine cabinets with mirrors on both sides. What I like about the shower, especially at this price point, is it does have glass doors as well as an integrated seat so you can sit down. I hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the all-new 3902 FL floor plan. I left out a lot of features and a lot of added value that you will get. Learn more about Big Country at heartlandrvs.com. Thanks, everybody.